here's Direct Express mobile app. As you can see, there are two mobile apps. There's mobile application with a number, which card number starts with 533, and then there's another number of card starts 511. So there are two different apps. You can just check them out in the Finance App Store. So yeah, here you can just download it, and then you can see you can use your user ID, and then you can just get some payouts. You can manage your money conveniently, securely from your mobile device. You will receive your payment every month. Yeah. Then you can, of course, use it this card to purchase, withdraw cash, and this is obviously the card to receive your federal benefits on the Direct Express card. So yeah, then you can just open it up, and then you can log in with user ID or password. Just save it. You can also use Face ID, Touch ID, or then also you can just register for a new account. So you need to enter your last 4 digits of card number, CVV code, card expiration day, social security number, about you, review, verify yourself, and then you can just actually use the app. There is help section. You can always call customer support center. There are some FAQs. What type of federal payments can I have on Direct Express card account? So you can see different agencies. So yeah, what's the benefits of Direct Express card? So it's safe, no need to carry large amounts of cash, and no risk of lost or stolen checks. It's easy. You won't have the mail to wait for the mail to arrive. It's convenient, and you can make purchases anywhere. Debit, MasterCard is accepted, and get cash back at retail locations, banks, credit unions, anytime throughout the world. So you can just easily sign up, activate your card, and all of that. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Also, you can just find some ATMs around. So yeah, I don't have an account. This would just like to bring your attention that there is an app, and yeah, very often using the app and using this new technology, even if you're kind of afraid, maybe some older population is afraid to use like mobile apps and their phones with money. Like some people even now trust much more to the just checks or cash compared to like different apps. Maybe they're right, but try out this app for sure.